What's up guys, welcome to TANSAFTECH YouTube channel. While Samsung Galaxy is already allowing customers to register their interest for its next Galaxy Note smartphone family, until now the company has not mentioned the new series name. But today, however, it has been discovered that several official Samsung websites have support page for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus SMN975F. Thus Samsung is inadvertently confirming what numerous leak has been suggested for quite some time. A Note 10 Plus will be released alongside with a regular Note. Samsung website from different EU countries confirm that Note 10 Plus is coming with 256 gigs and 512 gigs of storage. The popular leaker MaxJ has shared official links from Samsung website which shows Samsung's two variant 256 gigs as well as 512 gigs. As we have heard these storage leaks, but now it is confirmed by the Samsung official website. The other thing which leaked alongside with the storage is about the SIM slot on both of the Note 10 Plus 256 gigs and 512 gigs variant. So it is confirmed as shown in the picture that both of the model will have a dual SIM slot, and from looking at picture we have seen that there is another option is coming with the SIM tray, which is the hybrid SIM slot. Either we can make a phone a dual SIM or we can make it a single SIM and an SD card, which means we can expect that Samsung has provided the option to the user whether they want a dual SIM or a single SIM slot and an SD card alongside with that, which means we can expect that Samsung has provided the option to the user whether they want a dual SIM or a single SIM and an SD card. Another leak which is confirmed from MaxJ coming from Germany about the color of the Note 10 Plus, which they are launching. There are three colors which are coming this year in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. One is Aura Glow, the other one is Aura Black, and the third one is Aura White. So we have the option for three colors to choose from. Another leak from OnLeaks shared the images from FCC about the schematics of Note 10 Plus 5G variant, and one thing of notice that it is confirmed that there is no headphone jack, while the images show that the Note 10 Plus 5G include a noise cancellation mic, a Type-C port for fast charging and a data transfer, a speaker grill and an S Pen hole. So there are things we already know, and now it is confirmed from the leaked images. So let's talk about the other best and my personal favorite Galaxy Fold, which was recalled soon after the launch. Now Samsung went on the drawing board and made some changes regarding the Galaxy Fold after their review unit has been started to break. So Galaxy Fold has been confirmed to launch in September this year. A few weeks ago Samsung has admitted that they released the Galaxy Fold in a rush, but now it's the comeback time with some much needed improvements. There are images which are showing that Samsung has improved the hinge quality, one of which is the improvement in the design of a new hinges, which is improved, and it has a cap which covers the gap of the display and it will prevent the dust and particles to enter in the screen. Samsung has made some improvements in display to prevent the screen crack issue. All in all, it is good that Samsung has improved the Galaxy Fold issue and kept alive the foldable phone dream. So that's pretty much for now. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and I will meet you in the next video, and peace out.